Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pearl Lemon, and today we are going to be comparing how to do SEO for a large site versus static sites. Doing SEO for a 20-page site is completely different from doing SEO for a 20,000 page site. A small service site ranks static pages. A large platform like Udemy or Amazon or Forbes, Bloomberg, they deal with scale, automation, templates, crawl budget, internal structure. Today, we'll break down what actually changes when your website becomes large. What is a large site? A large site isn't about brand size, it's about URL volume. Examples: e commerce stores with thousands of products are large sites, course platforms like Udemy, large sites, content heavy sites like Forbes, large sites. The moment you cross into thousands of pages, your SEO strategy shifts. Now, for a small site, SEO is manual. You optimize each page carefully. You choose keywords intentionally. You adjust headings and internal links one by one. Rankings depend heavily on page level optimization. Large site SEO is not page level, it is system level. You don't optimize 10,000 product pages individually. You optimize the template, you optimize the category logic, you design internal link structure. SEO becomes engineering here. On small sites, crawl budget rarely matters. Google can crawl everything easily. On massive e-commerce sites like Amazon, crawl budget becomes critical. If Google wastes time crawling, filter URLs, duplicates, parameters, thin pages. If Google wastes time with this, important pages may be crawled less often. Indexing now becomes selective. On small sites, you manually insert contextual links. On large sites, internal linking is inbuilt into the category hierarchies, the breadcrumbs, the related product modules, the pagination. You design internal equity flow. You don't manually place every link. So every internal link you put into the site has to come in inbuilt. It's not something that you can meticulously go and change one by one. Now, large sites often generate content programmatically, product variations, course listings, tag pages. If not controls, if you don't control this, you can get thin content, near duplicates, or low value index bloat. Large site SEO often involves pruning and consolidation. So the site is going to grow naturally. Your job is to make sure that the wrong type of growth is not happening. Another thing about large websites is that static sites rarely struggle with index management. Large sites constantly fight index bloat. You must decide which pages to rank, which pages should exist but not rank, and which pages should not exist at all. And usually it's on a large scale. Technical discipline increases dramatically as you scale. Your keyword strategy is also different. Small sites target individual keyword. Large sites capture entire keyword universes. For example, a course marketplace might rank for Python course, best Python course, Python certification course, beginner Python tutorial. Through structured category architecture, your scale allows coverage. The next thing you need to consider is risk. On a small site, a bad title tag affects one page. On a large site, a bad template affects 20,000 pages instantly. Small mistakes scale on a large site. That's why large site SEO requires testing before rollout. You will hardly see a serious SEO running, managing a large site and they don't have a staging site to test stuff. Large platforms often benefit from brand recognition. Brand searches send strong signals. They earn links naturally because of the size of their site. So you don't have to worry as much about backlinking in a large site. Their scale reinforces that authority. Small sites rely more on precise optimization. Small sites have to reach out to people, offer guest post spots, offer link interchanging, or offer money if all else fails. Large sites rely on structure and brand trust. To summarize, small site SEO is craftsmanship. Large site SEO is architecture. Small sites optimize pages, large sites optimize systems. Once you understand this shift, you stop thinking like a blogger and start thinking like a platform. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Goodbye.